yes, Tanner and I are wearing the same shirt. We're about to embark upon a special journey. We have Kenzie here and Simone.
Hi.
Somehow we talked the ladies into coming with us. Tanner and I are here as adventure guides for the ladies. Ladies, how are you giving the review of your adventure guides today? We got 4 thumbs up over here. Once again, Tanner and I are wearing the same shirt. Tune in later for more. Ladies, how you feeling this hike?
I'm ready to come down. Down, please.
All right, ready? Here you go. That's cute stuff right there. Yeah, we've had quite the day of exploration there, buds.
It's been a long one. I'm tired.
How'd everyone do?
We're alive.
Good.
Tanner, you enjoy yourself?
Tired. Just tired.
Babe?
I'm tired.
We're all pretty tired. We're worn out. We're pretty beat up. Have a great day. Everyone get out there, get an adventure in, you know?